Welcome to Udyamo HRMS. In this video, we will guide you through the process of uploading, sharing and managing documents with Udyamo HRMS. Let's get started. I will begin by signing in with Microsoft account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to your dashboard. Then navigate to My Documents section in the sidebar, where you can manage all your documents. First, let's see how you can upload documents for yourself or share them with specific colleagues. Select My Documents option from the drop-down and click on the Add Employee Documents button. This will take you to the Upload New Document page. In this form, you will need to choose the document type from the available options. In the next field, if you are uploading a personal document, select your name. If you want to share it with a specific person, select that person's name. Add a brief description for the document. This is optional. You can skip it if you prefer. Click on Choose File to upload your document. Make sure your file is in the correct format. Also, ensure it's no larger than 5 MB. Once you have filled all the details, click the Submit button and your document will be uploaded instantly. If you have chosen a specific person to share the document with, they can check it by going to the Share with Me tab in their account. Now, let's look at how to upload documents for the entire organization. To do this, go to My Documents page and choose Organization Document from the drop-down menu. Once you have selected this, click on the Add Organization Document button to go to the Upload New Document page. In this form, you will need to choose the document type. Check this checkbox if you want the document to be shared with everyone in the organization. Alternatively, you can choose to share it with a specific department instead of the entire organization. Provide a description for the document and then upload it. Ensure the file is in the correct format and size. After filling in the details, click the Submit button to upload your document. You can also view, download and delete document as per your needs. That's it. With Udyamo HRMS, you can easily upload and share documents with your team or specific colleagues. Managing files is quick and simple.